I have to use a lumbar support whenever driving, or my back will hurt after about an hour. This is what I currently use, and it works great, but I don't like how it looks. I've already unclipped it so I can just pull it off, and it looks like it's worn the seat fabric here. Ugh. What I want to do is install something underneath the seat to push it out. Now, they have electronic lumbar supports you can install, and I'll link to those in the description below, but I want to install something inexpensive and simple just to make sure it'll actually work for my back. You don't get any more simple than this manual lumbar support. Pump the bulb to inflate, and press the button to deflate. Let's see what it looks like fully inflated. Installation should be pretty simple. Just reach under the seat and feel around for an elastic band. It goes around 2 plastic hooks towards the front of the seat. Just free them from the hooks and then pull it out like so. Lift this flap up, then you'll slide this plastic clip out of the way, and then grab the zipper down here and unzip it all the way up to the top. We can easily access the back of the seat foam now. I'm going to slip the lumbar support between here. I've placed the lumbar support with the bladder facing the seat foam, and I have the hose coming out the side like this so it doesn't get pinched. This lets me have the bulb sit towards the back corner of the seat where I can easily reach it while sitting down. Now to figure out the best height to set the support for my back. I've repositioned the support lower and zip tied it in place to keep it from moving. Now to zip this closed, and then reattach this clip. With the clip back in place, grab the elastic and reach underneath the seat and get it wrapped around those 2 hooks, and then you're done. Okay, you can see the lower part of the seat start to move forward slightly. And that definitely feels nice and firm there. Feels like I overinflated it, but all I need to do is release some air to adjust it. So I just finished a 5-hour-long drive to Ocean City, and this lumbar support passed the test. It also holds air pretty well, so I'm not finding myself having to constantly reinflate it. I don't know if I'll actually install one of these electronic lumbar supports, because this one's actually working out surprisingly well. If you have the same issues with your back and your OEM seat, I hope this helps you out. If you haven't hit subscribe to my channel yet, please do so now, and as always, thank you for watching.